Testing, testing. This video is for you freshers out there. First of all, congratulations on getting into Brunel University. I am so excited for you guys to start your journey. I'm here today to talk to you guys about what you need to be bringing to university. I understand it's going to be quite overwhelming to decide what you're going to be bringing to university, but here are some tips for you guys. First of all, make sure you bring your important documents over to university, such as your passport, university acceptance letter, your driving license, student finance documents, passport photos, insurance documents, the list goes on and on. Make sure you bring these documents because you'll need them to apply for part-time jobs, apply for a bank account, register at the university, and also apply for any student travel cards. So very important, make sure you bring these with you. Second of all, bring your electronics. I'm sure you guys won't forget to bring your phones, iPads, laptops, but I personally would recommend getting a monitor. I got this during quarantine when I had to study for multiple exams, finish my dissertation, and I have found being able to open different documents on the same screen very useful and definitely increased the efficiency of my workflow. Other than that, I would recommend bringing a speaker. I'm not sure if you can see it from the screen, but I've got a speaker here with me. You can use it in the kitchen, when you go to the bathroom, when you're taking a shower, when you're studying, before you go to bed. Very versatile, you can use it in different occasions, and I personally find it to be one of the most useful objects I have brought with me to university. So next up is the extension cords. There are actually loads of plugs around the table, but there are actually none next to the bed. So if you want to charge your phone next to your bed, if you want to use a reading lamp, then go ahead and invest in an extension cord, which will make your life so much easier. Next up, we've got, of course, clothing. I'm not going to tell you guys to bring your underwear, t-shirts, jackets, because you already know that, but I'm going to suggest bringing flip-flops or sliders because you'll be wearing them in your shared kitchen, maybe shared bathroom. You'll find yourself wearing them 24/7. You should also bring some hangers. If you haven't got too many spare ones at home, you can buy them in Poundland. They're super cheap. You can use them to dry your clothes, to organize your clothes. Super handy. In fourth, a lot of you might not think of this, but it's a medicine pack. I myself did not want to bring one when I came to university, but my mum insisted on me to bring one, and I definitely find it literally life-saving. You won't want to be going to the store when you're ill, so definitely invest in them, bring them, prepare them, and yeah, you guys will know how much it means to you when you guys are ill. Bring medicine for stomachache, diarrhea, headache, fever, runny nose, anything you think of, pack them. Number 5 is a water bottle. I actually never drank that much water in my life before I came to uni, and since I came to uni I found myself bringing my water bottle everywhere with me, taking a sip in lecture, in practicals, gym, at home. You will need it 24/7. Number 6 is a doorstop. You can leave your door open in your first or second week of freshers. Incredible way to meet at least your flatmates. Give that a try. I found it super useful when I came to uni. People can just come in and out and you will be making friends in no time. Last but not least is kitchen utensils. Obviously you'll need your pots and pans, but make sure you don't bring too many because once you're in your hall you can actually share with your flatmates. Otherwise you'll end up having 8 pots and pans, cutting boards in a flat of 4. Definitely don't rush into that. Take your time, settle down, talk to your flatmates and see what kind of a plan you guys can come up with. Oh yeah, and do invest in a rice cooker. I don't know if it's just me, but I find this machine to be an absolute lifesaver. Super easy way to cook rice. You can actually use it to cook your meat, your veggies, quinoa, couscous. I actually use it for absolutely everything. So look into that, and yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon.